Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Biddley Doodley Drawings, Volume 3. Author Lucia Montine, illustrated by Exaba, my Chinese friend. Triangle with arms, wide spread, half a circle for the head, and below them I talk. I draw one side of a block, 2 rectangles on each side, arms with fingers open wide, underneath for pants 3 lines, and for boots 2 oval signs. Then I draw 2 eyes, so tiny, a mouth, a nose, and buttons shiny. And when it's all done, no rush, glasses round, a beard and mustache. What is this? Just tell me. You guessed right, my friends. Chinese. The elephant. Here I draw a big long arch, a tensy tail, and legs to march, floppy ear, a head and eye, and a trunk to reach the sky. And my funny little game, see, an elephant became if I want to have more fun. I can draw another one. The little fish. To the left I start a loop, and I finish in one swoop. Little strippy tail to swim and move around on a whim. 2 more fins right down below. Zigzags on the back, just so. Head, eye, mouth, my pen goes swish. Scale by scale, I've got a fish. Since he loves swimming a lot, draw some waves about. Why not? If you want to have more fun, draw him a smiling sun. My Eskimo friend. Here I draw a tiny jacket with the hood on top to match it, legs and boots to walk on ice, warm gloves on his hands, so nice. Next I rushed his head to trace a small one with a round face, 2 small eyes just lines, it seems, and for mouth a smile that from his house he calls igloo. Who comes to say, how are you? Wearing such warm clothes, so cozy. Little Eskimo, all nosy. The hen. I start with a little hook. Half circle I add. Look, and just under that, the tummy. Slightly bigger, round, and funny. Then I draw a little crown. A beak and a bow right down. Now I quickly draw an eye and a collar on the fly, a wing and 2 feet to run. Look, who's that? It's so much fun. Whom in Grandma's yard I found pecking with her chicks about, tiny grains right from the ground. Cluck, cluck, the hen, no doubt. I stretch a rhomb and place inside, a mouth and 2 eyes opened wide, then a tiny nose, a fringe on top for pose. Then I draw a little bow. He's on the stage right now, and the longest string to fly high enough to reach the sky. Look at him. Can you just guess who's flying in this fancy dress? Is he now an airplane, or is he Mr. Kite, his name? He looks so lonely, but wait, I'll draw him a playmate. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!